Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from Patrol EV, T Sportline's upfitting division. And today I've got a Model Y that we just completed a very basic upfit on. This is the fleet manager's car at the municipality. So we've got some service lights up front, and we've got the steel wheels and our Falcon all-terrain tires on here. It's important to tell you, from a Patrol EV perspective, the upfit or the build is exactly what the municipality asks for. We can go from very basic lights to a full-blown patrol upfit with prisoner compartments, customizations, whatever lighting package is needed, whatever auxiliary power is needed. We can do it from basic to full patrol here at patrolev.com. So just wanted to share this real quick. You could see the steel wheels, which are a police spec. Bang them up, knock them into things, never gonna be a problem. Lifetime guarantee on the steel wheels up here. And they're a Tesla fitment. So we don't have any adjustments, no spacers, no hub rings. Uses factory T Sportline or Tesla lug nuts, and it bolts right onto the Model Y or the Model 3, proper fitment, exactly what you want for police spec. And then of course, just some Whelen ion lights up here. Very basic setup, wired in with switch control in there. This is a basic one, but I want to show you what we can do depending on whatever the municipality asks. All right, everybody, hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.